Hello everyone, welcome to day 17 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do an extended double triple crochet. For a double triple crochet, you yarn over thrice, crochet 7 chains into the 8th one, insert, pull out a loop. You'll have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull out of the first 2, yarn over, pull out of the next 2, yarn over, pull out of the next 2. Now, once you have only 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull out of 1 loop, again yarn over, pull out of the last 2 loops. So now this is an extended double triple crochet. Again, one more time, yarn over thrice, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of first 2, yarn over, pull out of next 2, yarn over, pull out of the yarn over, pull out of the next 2. Once you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull out of the first loop, yarn over, pull out of the 2 loops together. So this is an extended double triple crochet. Do try this out and I'll meet you back tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch.